Welcome to our user guide on integrating and managing TNT Express Shipping on your website. Let's get started. Begin by installing the module via the App Shop in your admin area. Once installed, go to the Modules, Shipping, and Online tabs. Locate the TNT Express Shipping module and click Edit to access settings. In the Settings section, input your TNT username, password, account number, TNT account country, send from town, and postal code. Define insurance and price margin values and percentage. Optionally adjust package size correction value before sending requests to TNT. Ensure accurate tax calculations by assigning appropriate shipping tax classes. Choose desired shipping zones to offer TNT Express Shipping. Customize delivery dates and ownership settings based on preferences. Control display order of shipping methods during checkout. Enter a value in the corresponding field. Lower values will prioritize TNT Express Shipping over other shipping methods. In the restrictions section, tailor TNT Express Shipping to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Define shipping module name for backend and frontend in your desired language. Provide shipment visibility by enabling tracking for customers. Click Update to save your customization. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate and manage TNT Express Shipping on your website, providing your customers with efficient shipping services.